In this video, I'm going to show you guys what city photography is and how easy it is. City photography doesn't have to be always buildings. I'll show you guys in this video. So for this shot, you really want to go low as possible because you really want to make the car look bigger. Oh, and by the way, this camera settings have to be at about a 60th of a second because that way you can pan the camera with the car, creating this blurry background, but the car is clear. I'm starting to feel like this is not the perfect spot, but I mean, like, I love the background in it, so I want to really keep this scene here. So yeah. Well, let's try it with the scooter, see if my camera settings are correct. That looks pretty good. I actually like that picture. I'll show that scooter picture right there. So this is really hard, you know, like because of, yeah, it's just waiting and waiting and waiting. That's why photography is patient stuff, man. If you don't get patience, you can't do photography. Like, photography is so, you just need patience. But in the end, it is definitely worth it though. So like, the pictures you get from being patient are literally the best. 5 minutes in. Honestly, I think that is a good picture. That was the BMW picture. Yeah, I'm sorry for the shaky footage, but because there's no place where I can put my camera right now. So, but for example, now I actually want to take the picture of the football field, but I cannot show you guys how I'm taking that picture because there's no place to put my camera. So I'm just gonna go out and shoot the football field, and I'm gonna show you the picture right now, right there, before I even took it. So yeah, you're the first one to see it. So I want to do one more for like buildings. So then I got 3 shots: cars, buildings, and a football field. So I think I've got 3 good shots. So I'm gonna do one more for the buildings. So I think that building over there looks pretty decent. It's tall, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that fully. So let me just. Yeah, I can get that full, so that's easy. That one I'm gonna take. So, by the way, buildings look better in portrait mode than in vertical mode than in horizontal mode. Just saying, if you do horizontal, it kind of looks messy. But unless you want to grab this whole group of buildings, then you do horizontal. But if you only want to take one specific building, then you go for vertical. Vertical, it makes it look nicer for building. So just saying, quick tip there. So I showed you 3 photos now that you can do in city photography. Cars, some kind of special thing about that place. For example, this one was a football field. And then the third of all, I did buildings, which was across the street here, but still. Anyways, I hope you can subscribe if you liked the video, then also leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.